mufflers are an interesting weapon of choice, but I'm just saying it wouldn't hurt to blue sky this a bit.
Okay, let's hear it. What's your strategy, Andre?
The Furiki factor is not so much a strategy, it's more of a way of life. We go in, engines blazing, and boom! Ah! Ow! Oh! Yeah! Ooh! Ah! Ah! Crash! Kapow!
Right. We got Andre's crashy boomy thing versus my move, which I've been working on for weeks. The whirligig of doom.
Ooh.
Bring on a doom, sister.
If they won't try the Furiki factor, then I'll just have to show them.
Here's the drill. We lock bumpers nice and slow. Engage the whirligig on my command. Keep rainbow mufflers on standby. Let's save the shock and awe for the enemy. Huh?
Something I call the Furiki factor.
Real classy, Andre.
I know, right? Where would you guys be without me?
Not a coconut tree!
Okay, I admit my demonstration was a little over the top, but look around you. I'm the last one standing, which means I win. Which means we can all win if you follow my lead.
That's it! You're off the team!
Huh?